going to be teaching you guys how you can transfer your crypto assets to your wallet. So I want to believe by now you're supposed to be aware that keeping your assets in your exchange for a long time is very, very risky. So it is advisable if you want to hold a particular crypto asset, maybe for this bull run, you bought a particular coin that you want to hold for a long time, you can keep it in your wallet. So we have many kinds of wallets. We have Solana wallet, we have all kinds of wallets, we have Ethereum wallet, we have wallets that are designed to hold only Solana coins. Right, so we have wallets that are designed to hold only Ethereum coins. So we have wallets that can hold both Solana, Ethereum, and other networks, such as Trust Wallet. So I use Trust Wallet, and I'm going to use Trust Wallet for this tutorial. So go back to Trust Wallet and click on it. Then wait for it to load. So we are here on Trust Wallet, and in this Trust Wallet, you can see many coins that are here. You can see many coins that are here. These coins are not just limited to the ones you can see here. You can also search. You can see in all these coins. I think there are some coins that are not listed here. Solana is not here. So you can also search. You can also search for any coin that you want to see. You can also search for any coin. For instance, you can click here to search for any coin that you want. So let's say you want to search for which coin now? Which coin? Not coin. NOT. No, I'm not sure if not coin here for now. So not coin is not here for now. So which coin can we search for? Bonk. Yes. So you can see it's here. Now, depending on the coin you want to deposit to Trust Wallet. So let's pick one as an instance now. Let's pick one for instance. So let's say you want to deposit Ethereum, or let's say you want to deposit Bonk. So we click on it. You can see Bonk here. You can see it here. So the first thing is for you to click on it and you wait for it to load. Now what you want to do, you want to deposit this Bonk from Bybit to our Trust Wallet. You want to hold it in our Trust Wallet so that anytime it rises to some extent, we will sell it. So after you come here, you click on this receive. Click on receive. So when you come to this end, you are going to see, read this thing at the top. Only send Bonk SPL asset to this address. Other assets will be lost. So now this thing, you have to be very, very attentive. If you are sending Bonk, it must be in SPL, right? So if you send Bonk in any other form that is not SPL, it will be lost, like you lost some money. So when you come here, you have in mind the way the asset is, which is in SPL. So then the next thing for you to do is to copy this address. Copy this address. How do you copy it? Just click on copy here to copy the address. So we click on copy, and you can see we have copied it. So after copying it, you then go over to your Bybit. Remember, I want to send asset from Bybit to Trust Wallet. So go to our Bybit. So we are here on Bybit. So remember that what you want to transfer is Bonk. And before then, you must have Bonk first. I've taught you guys how to buy coin on spot, or how to do spot trading. So before now, you must have Bonk. So when you come here, you click on assets. You click on assets down here. You can see assets down here. You click on it. So you click on it, and then so when you click on assets, so when you come here, what you're going to do is that you are going to click on withdraw. Now we are going to click on withdraw. Now we have deposit, withdraw, transfer. Deposit is if you are depositing any coin to Bybit itself. Withdraw is if you are taking away coin. If you are withdrawing money from Bybit to any other exchange or wallet. Then transfer is where you are transferring coin within Bybit. So maybe you want to transfer coin from Unified here to funding, or from funding to Unified. Then convert is when you are converting a particular coin from one coin to another. Maybe you want to convert BTC to USDT. You don't want to sell it. You don't want to sell it through spot trading. You just want to convert it. So when you click on convert, you can actually convert it at the exact market price. So that's what all these things represent. So click on withdraw. Remember, before you withdraw, you must have your assets. So you can see that when you come here, this thing is ticked at hide zero balance. Now what happens is that when you click on hide zero balance, it means that when you're having zero balance, it will hide all of them. So now I'm having zero balance. That's why I decided to. I bought some coins. I have some coins that I bought, but they are in my Unified trading wallet. So remove this from here. You untick this. So we have all our coins. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to search for Bonk. You're going to search. You can search for it using your search bar. So Bonk. So we are here. We have seen Bonk here. This is Bonk. So we click on it. We click on Bonk. Remember what we copied the other time. Remember what you copied. So when you come here, you have two things here. You have on-chain. We have internal transfer, right? So on-chain transfer is what you want to do now. You are transferring from Bybit to another blockchain, right? So Internal transfer is when you are still transferring within Bybit. So what I'm going to do is on-chain transfer. So you copy that link address, that address that you copied, you paste it here. You can see you paste it here. Let's click on paste. Paste. Okay, you have pasted it. Now the next thing is for you to come to this network side. So in this network, just click on this, and then so in this network you select Solana, right? You are going to pay a gas fee. Hope you are getting this. You are going to pay a gas fee, and you are going to pay Solana. Solana is what you are going to be paying as your gas fee. Why? Because this bank is under Solana network, right? So then you now come here. And put the amount you want to withdraw. Put the amount you want to withdraw. I'm not holding bank for now, so maybe I have 1,000 bank. If I'm withdrawing 1,000 bank, the amount of gas fee I'm supposed to pay is supposed to show here, but it's not showing because they're already telling me that withdrawal limit exceeded the withdrawal limit. So let me change it to maybe 50. Withdrawal limit exceeded, please enter. Yeah, so let's say 5. So the reason why they're showing me all this is because I have 0 bank. I have 0 bank in my funding account. Hope you get that. So if you want to withdraw any money, you have to transfer it to your funding account before you now go to withdraw. But for now, all my money is in my unified account. I use it to buy coin. This is bull season. So after you have done that, they are going to show you the amount of gas fee you are going to pay here. The amount of gas fee rather you are going to pay here. Then you are going to see it here somewhere here. So when you see it, if you know whether you can pay it, then you click on withdraw. You click on withdraw here. So you click on withdraw, and then that money will be sent to your so that money will be sent to your trust wallet. It will be sent to your trust wallet. That's just it. It's very simple. It's very simple and straightforward. Very simple and straightforward. So you can also transfer money from your trust wallet to your Bybit, right? So we know what we did in trust wallet is that you click on receive. So what I'm just going to do is that you click on send. So I hope this video helped you. I hope you gain value from this video. So let's say for instance, you want to withdraw a coin. Let's say for instance you bought a coin from Bybit, then you want to send it to your trust wallet, and you cannot find that coin in your trust wallet. Let's say you come to your trust wallet and you cannot find the coin. So let's say you come to Trust Wallet and you cannot find the coin. I'm going to be showing you guys in my next video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add coin to Trust Wallet. You don't just add coin anyhow. There's a way to add it. There's a way to get the link address, and there is a way to add coins. Some of these coins are seeing like Trump. Some of these coins are seeing. I think I'm the one that added Trump emoji, and I think I'm the one that added Punk. Right? I know I'm the one that added OG under Ethereum. So some of these coins that you are seeing, there's a way to add them. Let's say for instance you just come, you bought a particular coin, and then you want to transfer it to your wallet, but you don't know how to add it. You do not see it to your wallet, you do not see it in Trust Wallet, and you don't know how to add it. There is a way to add it. In my next video I'm going to be showing you how to add the coin to your wallet, and then you do your transfer from your exchange to your wallet. I hope this video helps you. If you get value from this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.